This is my review of the Hercules 550-pound universal folding miter saw stand. I was in the market for a mobile miter saw stand and chose this one because of its weight capacity and aluminum components. I wanted to be able to move my saw around my garage and property while keeping it mounted. This stand was the perfect solution. Unfolding the legs is simple. You just need to be strong enough to pick up the saw and stand from the ground when unfolding the second set of legs. There's an adjustable foot on one leg that you can screw in or out to level the stand and fine-tune its stability. The saw mounts will accept most miter saw brands, have quick releases, and are easily adjustable if you need to reposition your saw. The material mounts can be raised or lowered, and they're extendable up to 8 feet. I'm happy with the 8-inch solid plastic wheels. They have sealed bearings to keep out debris and they rotate nice and smoothly. And when you're finished with your work, packing everything up is quick and easy. Just slide the material supports back in, lock them in place, and then raise the support that's closest to the wheels all the way up. This support seconds as legs when the stand is folded and vertical. You're going to lift up the stand with the wheels end first, fold up the legs, lower it down, and then just repeat the same thing on the other side. Now with this, storage for my saw is so much easier. Like this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.